My name's Justin, and I've been doing sound for more than 20 years. I've always had a massive passion for audio, especially vintage audio, and just like to show you some of the awesome stuff that I have. I'm very blessed to own some of this amazing vintage gear. Take a look. A small collection of some of my favourite amps: the SAE P50, the 1K2 Stray Monitor amp, and of course the M900. Looking forward to collecting a lot more vintage amps. Next on my list is one of my favourite amps of all times, which is the beautiful H&H M900. Same amp as the H&H V800, just a different back panel, and doesn't have the multi-display for the LEDs regarding attenuation. The only thing I've changed on these ones is I've put some beautiful, very classy brushed aluminium knobs on them, just to give it a really fine finish. I've got 4 of these. As I said, absolute outstanding amp. It's a shame they don't make amps like this anymore. Wide frequency band. I'll pull one out and show the inside of one of these. They're absolutely insane. Heavy, about 21.5 kilos. Absolutely huge, very heavy, big capacitors, massive transformer, an absolute beautiful sonic amp. Absolutely love it. And to one of my favorite amps, the H&H M900 massive MOSFET amp. This was the installation version. It's the same amp as the V800, just has a different front panel and a different back panel, which I'll show you. Only thing I've changed again is just the knobs. There's some beautiful brushed, just to give it some really nice finish and a nice style. Have a look at these things. These are absolutely beautiful. Virtually point-to-point wiring. Massive capacitors, as you can see down there. Very simple in the wiring. Huge transformer, as you can see. Massive heat rails. Very short amp if you compare it to the 1K2. The 1K2's very long. These are very short but very high. And I'll take off the other panel on the side just to give you a full aspects of the wiring. But as you can see, I love these amps. Easy to clean. Again, I pull these all apart every month, dust them all down. Very simple amp. One of my favorites. Power anything of these. Top end, mid, subs. They do a true 800 watt in 8 ohms monoblock, especially with those massive 4 capacitors. Absolutely awesome. Okay, here we have the other side of the panel. As you can see, very simple wiring. It's virtually all point to point, which you just don't see amps like this anymore. Absolutely beautiful. There's the size of those capacitors again. Absolutely huge, beautiful, massive big transformer. Very well balanced, these amps. There's the main motherboard, that's about it. And I'll show the rear panel. Absolutely gorgeous. They sound absolutely amazing. Show you the back panel. So you got balanced inputs and speaker outputs. The V800 had a few more options with linking amps and different speaker outputs, but nevertheless, absolute amazing amp. You might have to see there in the back panel there. It does a true 400 watts in 4 ohms. I can assure you it does. I run some of these monoblock, and the power is insane. It's amazing what you can get, and it seems like they just want more and more and more. These things can run so hard. Not that I like to run music like that ever, because that's not what it was designed to do, but certainly they can outperform any expectation. The H&H M900. What a masterpiece.